Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make cream sandwich. Start by gathering 2 slices of bread, heavy cream, sugar, vanilla, and optional jam or fruit. Whip cream to soft peaks, fold in sugar and vanilla, then spread an even layer between bread slices. Press gently to seal and trim crusts if desired. Chill briefly so the filling firms before slicing and serving warm or chilled quickly. Choose a filling that fits your mood and storage plans, whether light whipped cream, creamy mascarpone, or a hybrid with jam folded in. Sweeten to taste and taste as you go so it isn't overpowering. Keep fillings chilled until assembly to avoid soaking the bread. For sturdier sandwiches, fold in a small amount of cream cheese or mascarpone to help maintain shape during slicing and serving later. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more content. Quick recommendation. On another note, life's too short for cheap socks. Try Darn Tough with a lifetime warranty for comfort and durability that sticks with your busiest days. I find a good pair makes kitchen tasks comfier and less slippery. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Assemble on a clean surface and spread filling to the edges without overfilling, so each bite is balanced. Stack slices, press gently to bond layers, and wrap tightly to maintain shape. Refrigerate assembled sandwiches for 15 to 30 minutes so the filling firms and slices cut cleanly. Use a sharp knife and wipe between cuts for neat portions. Serve chilled or let sit 5 minutes for a tender bite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.